It was a gray afternoon, and the sound of rain pattered softly against the rooftops. Most people hurried indoors, closing their windows to keep the damp air out. But Mrs. Hazel, an old lady with silver hair neatly tied in a bun, smiled as she looked out from her small cottage window. She picked up her bright yellow raincoat, slipped on her old rubber boots, and stepped outside with her worn but cheerful umbrella. The garden looked alive. Raindrops sparkled on the petals, and the smell of wet earth filled the air. Mrs. Hazel slowly walked along the puddle-lined path, humming her favorite tune. "Ah, rain," she whispered. "You make everything fresh again." She stopped to watch the children across the street, jumping into puddles, laughing loudly. One of them waved. "Aren't you cold, Granny?" a boy shouted. She chuckled. "Not at all. This is the perfect weather for a little dance." And there she was, twirling her umbrella, splashing in puddles, and laughing with the children. The clouds might have been heavy, but her joy made the whole street feel warm. When she returned home, Mrs. Hazel made herself a cup of tea and sat by the window, watching the rain pour down harder. "Sunny days grow flowers," she said softly, "but rainy days grow the soul." For her, every kind of weather had its own beauty. Sunshine for warmth, wind for stories, and rain for peace. That night, the rain kept falling, but Mrs. Hazel slept with a smile, dreaming of puddles and laughter, proof that even a rainy day can be a lovely one.